Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to order from Taobao. Now, make sure that you're part of the country list that can actually order from Taobao. If not, you're just going to waste your time. With that said, for example, I want to buy these eye sleeves, men's elastic arm sleeves. Let's click on that and we'll be brought to the product page. So if you want to choose whatever, uploaded cowboy, sure. And then you can either buy it now or add to cart. So click add to cart, cart information you want. Looks large, right? Add to cart. All right. Now that it's in our shopping cart, let's go to our shopping cart. Now that we are in our shopping cart, all you need to do is click this and then click on settlement, like so. And you will be brought to this page. Sadly, we can't because we don't have a Chinese address, right? But as you can see here, this is a payment option. It's the same thing, payment. You know, you need your address, your information, your phone number, and the payment method. So you can do debit card, credit card, and then just click submit order and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.